Will change your gear. You press the left shifter, it goes into void, no grip. Sometimes it works after several tryings. Let's fix this problem. Take a cross screwdriver, remove the 3 outer screws, and pay attention, these are special screws. Perhaps a magnet can help. When the 3 outer ones are removed, you can remove the one in the middle holding the shift lever. You see my carefulness. I do it for the first time. You see my caution. My fear is a spring comes out, jumping against me and is disappearing in the darkness of my workshop. As you see, the shift cable is stretched. Could be easier to take him off, but I dislike the adjustment at the end of the work. Right now you will see the shifter is moved by magic. Down at the front derailleur I stuck in a wooden wedge. As you see, a better work. Now we have a better view to the switching mechanic. Near my pointer there are very small hooks, not able to work because the hardened grease. Most grease and oils harden out by the time and stick like glue. We must dissolve the hardened grease with any degreaser. I'll take the miracle of WD-40. People think it's a grease like oil. I think it's a degreaser only. Otherwise you can use petrol or diesel oil. As you see, I used compressed air. You also can take a rag. Necessary to lubricate for new. I'll take silicone grease in this wonderful small grease gun for accurate greasing. Take every other grease. We know how to renew next time. With my other hand I remove now the wedge, giving tension to the shift cable. And now the assembly. Pay attention for the screws, the 3 outer ones, and later the cover with the middle screw. Here I try to put in the plastic screw. It's only a cover. Through its hole it's possible to change the shift cable without disassembling like we do. It is tricky to put it in. It needs only one turn. And then take your hex key 5mm and fasten the shifter, and now we are ready. Look, the indicator, the shifting up and down works very easy now, and I am so lucky with my work now. When taking this video my microphone was off, so here my post-dubbing, also possible in English. I'm sure the rear shifter on the right would be the same story. No need to extend this video. The right shifter has the same screws. 3 outer screws and the middle screw. Thanks for watching. Visit my channel, subscribe and give me a like. And bye bye from Germany.